As a United Way campaign volunteer and friend, we work on behalf of others in our community who need a hand up, not a handout. We do what we can to help those who want to be helped. We advance the common good through thoughtful and sustainable investment. These are the things that make the Lakes region a place where we nurture our young, engage our adolescents, support our families, respect our elders, and work together to build a better life for all. It takes everyone in the community working together to build a brighter future. And we know that together we can accomplish more than any individual entity. That is the essence of the United Way and the recipe for success in the community. Today, the community is acknowledging that we are, in fact, better together. Today's breakfast is the official kickoff of the 2010-2011 United Way campaign. The campaign is not just about raising funds. It is a wonderful opportunity to make connections, meet new people, have new experiences, and learn new things. As the community champion for this year's Lakes Region United Way fundraising drive, it is my honor and pleasure to announce this year's goal, $1,050,000. The number is based on the community goals of the organization, which include partner support, initiative investment, program development, and network sustainability. We believe we have a team of volunteers and core business support to make our goal achievable. Time will tell. We do know that standing still and doing business as usual is not an option if we want to maintain and expand the kind of living experience we all seek here in the Lakes region. Our success is your success, and we cannot meet our goal without your help. Living United is a call to action. United, we change what we see in our world. Living United means being part of that change. Thank you for all that you do in making our community one of the best in the nation. Thank you and have a good day.